guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel Get Gorgeous with Nidhi. Well, in today's video, I am creating this makeup look. Basically, this is a very modern Indian bridal look. Something that, you girls can do for your cocktail or mehendi or sangeet or any other event. So for this shoot, I have collaborated with a lot of brands, the jewelry brand, the clothing and everything. I got a hairstylist who did this amazing hairdo for me. His name is Sandeep. I have Mansi who is shooting this video and who assisted me in this shoot. So overall, it's such a fab team to work with. I am so excited to see the final pictures. So anyways guys, let's get started with this video and see how I created this makeup look. So I'm starting with filling my eyebrows using this eyebrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in shade medium brown. And I forgot to wear my lenses, so I'm going to do that before I start my makeup. Let's start with the eye makeup first. So I am applying some concealer on my eyelid. This is a Too Faced concealer in shade light beige. Now applying some powder to set this concealer. So we have the perfect base now for the eyes. Let's go on to the eye makeup. The first shade that I'll take is this, Love. The brush that I'm using is from Morphe and it's a nice big fluffy brush because I'm bringing this color on the crease and like little below the brow bone. Now for the outer corners, I need a slightly darker shade. So I have this palette from Huda Beauty. It has all these mauve shades. So that's what I want to use. Something, like a dark mauvish color or something like this. A pinkish dark pink, right? So I'm just going to mix these two and applying it in the outer corner. I'm going to use my finger to apply a shimmer shade because it turns out to be better. I think with a brush the intensity is not that great. So I'm taking this shimmer shade and applying it. I was first thinking of doing like all pink eyes, but then I thought let's just apply this, and on top of it I'll apply some pigment which will have that like a reflect, a little slight pink or champagne reflect in it. Let's try and mix this little bit. This is a beautiful pink shimmer shade and I'm applying it right at the center. So whenever I have these shoots at home, I get so anxious. It is I log aa rahe hote ghar mein, and then I'm shooting this video also, then I have to do makeup for the model as well. It's just like a lot of work for me. Now I'm going to take a brown kajal pencil, taking this one from Faces Canada and just lining my eye. Now I'm taking a pencil brush like this and I'll start smudging just the outer corners of this brown liner. Taking this dark brown shade and let's darken the outer corners a little bit more. Just see how I'm using this brush. I'm not going here, I'm not creating a V, okay, that we've done before. All I'm doing is just smudging this brown thing here, like you smudge a liner but just in the outer corner. So that's what I'm doing with this brown shade. I'm going to apply some shimmer now on the eyelid. I have this diamond powder. Now this is from Makeup Forever. It's a very thin pigment. Basically it's not a glitter, it's more like a powder form. So to apply that, I'm using this pigment primer. This is from Forever 52. Applying it right at the center, not anywhere else. Just take very little quantity, people, otherwise it might look very, like patchy. I love these thin pigments. I'm not a fan of those big chunky glitters. Thin brush like this just to shape up the crease a little bit, dipping it in the first shade that I took, just trying to shape my eyes with this. Time to clean all these fallouts, and that's the reason I do my eye makeup first. So I moisturized my face using this serum from the Face Shop. I absolutely love this product. And after this, I'm taking this Blur Balm. It's from Plume. It's called Silk Blur. Just see how the skin just starts glowing when it's moisturized well. Taking this Too Faced concealer in shade Golden Beige. just going to apply it everywhere actually. Yes, this is a lot of product, but I like to just conceal whatever I can with a concealer. Then I apply like a very less quantity of foundation, and that's the reason I just like to use a good concealer which helps me in, you know, covering all these blemishes and yeah, all the pigmentation that I have. I don't even need to apply foundation. Makeup Forever HD sticks, these are absolute favorite. I'm using shade 127. Using a foundation brush now to blend this. Again, a full coverage foundation, and it's so creamy. Perfect for my dry skin, especially in winters. I use this all the time. Now to highlight the under eye area, I'm using this concealer. This is from Maybelline. It's an age rewind concealer. The shade that I'm using is Sand. So I've applied it on my highlighting points. And now let's start blending it. Taking this Laura Mercier loose powder and just leaving this under the eye. So I'll let this be here for some time. I'm taking this brown kajal pencil and applying it here in the lower lash line. And just smudge this immediately, okay? Don't wait for it to dry, otherwise it will get difficult for you to smudge this. Now using this mascara from L'Oreal, it is Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. Okay, we can remove this powder now that I left under the eye. Now for the rest of my face, I am applying this Charlotte Tilbury powder. It is so amazing. It is a little expensive, but yes, I mean, if you can, I would suggest to have this in your kit. Going on to the contouring part, the favorite part for a lot of people. Now I have this liquid blush from Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to apply that, but guys, be a little careful because, you know, I've already applied the loose powder, right? So whenever you apply a cream or a liquid product on top of powder, it can turn patchy. So be a little careful with that aspect, okay? Either you do it before you apply the powder. Now let's go on to applying some blusher on, like a powder blusher on top of this cream blusher. And I always apply my blusher in an upward direction. I don't like those round things here. Doesn't suit my face. Highlighter, this one is from MAC, Soft and Gentle. This lip liner is from Maybelline. It's shade 630. Huda Beauty lipstick, Bombshell. So I'm taking this shade now, Shiro, from Huda again. Guys, I'm going to put my outfit, put my lashes and get my hair done, and I'll show you guys the final look. Getting ready for the shoot. Mansi's here and she will be putting lashes for me. And wahan pe we have another model and a hairstylist, Sandeep and Ishan. So guys, this is my final look. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments. I think the hairdo is pretty amazing. It has changed the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, guys. And also please comment below. I'll be posting the pictures of this look, the professional pictures, on my Instagram channel very soon. So keep supporting, keep showing your love.